Chapter 19: Natural Disasters. Let's learn earthquake and its effects, cyclone and its effects, tsunami and its effects, flood and its effects. Natural phenomena are extreme, sudden events caused by environmental factors that cause loss of life and property. Earthquakes, windstorms, floods and epidemics, any of these can strike anywhere on earth, often without warning. Info Hive. The most powerful earthquake ever recorded in the world occurred in Chile in 1960. Earthquake and its effects. An earthquake is the shaking, rolling or sudden movement of the Earth's surface. It is the Earth's natural means of releasing stress. More than 1 million earthquakes rattle the world each year. Earthquakes can be felt over large areas, although they usually last less than a few minutes. The place deep under the ground where an earthquake originates is called its focus. The point on the Earth's surface directly over the focus is called its epicenter. Effects of an earthquake. Surface trembling from seismic waves often damages buildings. It may trigger landslides that result in the loss of life and damage to buildings. Rocks can be permanently displaced during an earthquake. Earthquake safety precautions. Earthquakes can last just a few seconds or as long as several minutes, and knowing how to react during the quake can help prevent injuries. Drop to the ground. Take cover by getting under a sturdy table or another piece of furniture and hold on until the shaking stops. If there is not a table or desk near you, cover your face and head with your arms and crouch in an inside corner of the building. Immediately seek a safe location, such as in a doorway, beneath a table or desk, or along an interior wall away from windows or hazardous objects. Cover the back of your head and your eyes to minimize injury from flying debris. Do not take elevators during an earthquake. If cooking, turn off heating elements immediately. If outdoors, stay in open areas away from buildings, power lines, trees and other potential hazards. Cyclones and its effects. A cyclone is a storm accompanied by high-speed, whistling and howling winds. It brings torrential rains. When a cyclonic storm approaches, the skies begin to darken and lightning and thunder roll with a continuous heavy fall of rain. Where does a cyclone come from? A cyclonic storm develops over tropical oceans like the Indian Ocean, Bay of Bengal and the Arabian Sea. Its strong winds blow at great speeds, which can be more than 150 kilometers per hour. How does a cyclone affect us? A cyclone causes large-scale flooding of coastal areas. It uproots electricity supply and telecommunication lines. Power supply shuts down and telephones stop functioning. Road and rail movements come to a halt because floods damage rail tracks and breach roads. Rail movements are also disrupted because of communication and power failure. Bridges, dams and embankments suffer serious damages. Floods wash away human beings and animals and make water unfit for drinking. There can be an outbreak of diseases like cholera, jaundice or viral fever due to intake of impure water. Safety precautions. In case of a storm warning or other flooding, know your nearest safe high ground and the safest access route to it. Prepare an emergency kit to take with you and keep a list of emergency numbers on display. Listen continuously to your local radio or TV for further warnings. When the cyclone strikes, disconnect all electrical appliances. Protect yourself with mattresses, rugs or blankets under a strong table or bench if the building starts to break up. Drive carefully as roads may be filled with debris. Tsunami and its effects. A tsunami is a series of huge waves that can cause great devastation and loss of life when they strike a coast. Info Hive. The Ring of Fire or the Circum-Pacific Belt is a major area in the basin of the Pacific Ocean where many earthquakes and volcanic eruptions occur in a large 40,000 kilometer long horseshoe shape. Info Hive. Although cyclones do not reach up to central India, in case of very severe cyclones, widespread rain is witnessed. A very severe cyclone, Phelan, brought widespread rain up to Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand and Bihar. Effects of tsunamis. Tsunamis can cause great loss of life. They cause extensive damage to buildings and property. They wash away and drown domestic animals. The victims may be left without food, clothes, shelter, beds and blankets. Safety precautions. If you are indoors, stay there. Quickly move to a safe location in the room, such as under a strong desk, a strong table, or along an interior wall. The goal is to protect yourself from falling objects and be located near the structural strong points of the room. Avoid taking cover near windows, large mirrors, hanging objects, heavy furniture, heavy appliances, or fireplaces. If you are cooking, turn off the stove and take cover. If you are outdoors, move to an open area where falling objects are unlikely to strike you. Move away from buildings, power lines, and trees. If you are riding a car, slow down smoothly and stop on the side of the road. Avoid stopping on or under bridges and overpasses or under power lines, trees, and large signs. Do not move out of your car. Info Hive. On 26 December 2004, a powerful tsunami wreaked havoc in the coastal regions of southern peninsular India. About 8,835 human lives were lost in the tsunami in mainland India, with 86 persons reported. Flood and its effects. Flood is an overflow of the huge amount of water onto the normally dry land. Heavy rainfalls are one of the major causes of floods. The water level in rivers or lakes rises due to heavy rainfall. When the water level rises above the river banks or dams, the water starts overflowing, which causes floods. Effects. Floods can make people drown and die. Floods can inundate entire villages and towns and can cause extensive damages to buildings. Flooding leads to damage of roads, the collapse of bridges or traffic congestion, which may affect the daily life of people in the affected areas. Flooding brings too much water, which causes damage to standing crops. Flooding usually brings infectious diseases, example, pneumonic plague, dermatopathia, dysentery, common cold, etc. Safety precautions. Avoid areas that are prone to sudden flooding. Do not attempt to cross a stream where water is above the knees. When in doubt, do not try it. Do not try to drive over a flooded road. The water can be much deeper than it appears, and you could be stranded or trapped. Do not try to drive around police barricades. Stay away from drains and ditches. Boil drinking water before use. Report broken gas, electrical and water lines immediately. Do not handle electrical equipment in wet areas. Role of the government and other organizations in disaster management. The role of the central government is supportive. It provides immediate relief in the form of food, medicines, shelter, clothes and funds. NGOs have also played a significant role in disaster mitigation, relief and rehabilitation. The Indian Red Cross Society is a voluntary organization which provides relief in times of disasters and emergencies and promotes health and care of the affected people and communities. Recap. Natural disasters are extreme, sudden events caused by environmental factors that cause loss of life and damage to property. We should not take elevators during an earthquake. When the cyclone strikes, disconnect all electrical appliances. Flooding usually brings infectious diseases, example, pneumonic plague, dermatopathia, dysentery, common cold, etc.